2023 IS 300, brand new condenser, brand new Denso oil. About to go, you can hear that high fan come on. Gas volume refrigerant check. Let's see what this one, how fast does this go? Okay. So it's just been charged and it has a brand new OEM condenser. Okay, next. Boom, there we go. Ambient air temperature, yes it is. Go. On, yes. Failed. Okay. Well, we got a lot of sensors missing off here, and there's like a dozen failure codes after this accident. I already pre-looked it up. But now I want to know why it's failed, because I know I have it refilled. I know we have OEM. And it looks good here. 82 PSI on the high side. And we have no sun load. We're in a building. So the sun load has no sun load. The interior cabin is cold. We're coming out, I can't remember what we're coming out on the evap, but it's cold. So one of the sensors has picked up something that's making it fail. Now I seen, this is work, no, where is it at? Right here. Here's the ambient air temperature sensor, and it's not smashed, it's not if it was missing or really damaged, the AC wouldn't even come on. So I don't see nothing wrong with that. And it wouldn't come on if the high pressure sensor was off. So there's something else on this one. We'll come back to it, and I'll see you guys later. You notice how high this low side is. Is that the problem? No, that's not the problem. It doesn't need no AC inside. See the compression ratio, even though it's coming out nice and cold, unless it kicked it off. Nope, we still have cooling. Interesting. Gonna have to come back to that. Just kicked it off. I wonder if they have air inside the system. I'm getting a cool temp sensor and it's cutting off the ignition, and that's why the high fan come on, because he didn't fill up the coolant all the way or use vacuum bleed. Gonna find out. All right, I gotta come back to this. But you get to see in real life, this is what you got to go through sometimes. Everything in the air conditioning mechanically, condenser, refrigerant oil, and refrigerant gas is perfect, but it fails the test when it should not.